about 1.5 pounds. It's been What's up, lifers? Out here with Buckner again. We're gonna try to catch us a few. We just stopped over here where the schooling bass have been being, but water temperature done dropped down about 12 degrees since last time we was out here. There may not be no schooling fish, but I bet we can figure something out for you today. We'll be back when we catch us some fish. I don't care what they think. Baiting that bank up, y'all know how I feel about that. Can't find our schooling fish. We're gonna have to find something else. Throwing a damn chatterbait too. What am I thinking? It's almost making me sick at my stomach. I just well tie on a whopper plopper. One day I'll teach y'all how to cast like that. If y'all want some casting lessons, y'all just let me know in the comments. I can show you how to get hung up with the best of them. They're gonna make me tie a jig on. I don't want to do it. They're gonna make me do it. No. I knew I'd catch a fish today. Little fat dink today, about 1.5 pounds. It's been feeding, look at belly. Don't happen very often. I catch one before Buckner, but I did it today. He thinks that's gonna be the only one we catch. I don't. That's a big fish right there. I told you they're gonna be right up in the dirt. Make me tired right now. Got shit all over there, right up in the dirt, dude. That's a bass. Shit on me. Damn it! That's a little bitty one, like a 2/0 or a 3/0. Oh, one of them sinkholes up in there.
There you go.
Turn it on.
That's on.
Well, lifers, Buckner's TT got the hurt. He ain't feeling good. We only caught one fish. He's upset about that.
I ain't upset. That's where you're wrong.
He's almost crying about it. Alright. Y'all need to give me a thumbs up for sure. Just because we got out and struggled in this heat. Share it. You know the rest. We gone.